Welcome to tutorial number 23 of the blog marketing series, and we're really making progress and moving through this material. And today we're going to talk about the number one secret in getting traffic to your blog. And if you're already well versed in search engine optimization, this won't be a secret to you. But to get your search engine ranking up in Google, Yahoo, MSN, the number one thing that you can possibly do is attract more links to your blog, and we're going to talk about how you can go about doing that. How do you do it? Let's talk building links, classroom 101. First of all, use the Google toolbar to evaluate backlinks and anchor text. Now we're going to go to an actual web page and see how the Google toolbar works and how you can use it. Alright, here we are at the homepage for Slashdot.org. News for nerds, stuff that matters. And we're going to talk about using the Google toolbar. And if you have installed it, as we discussed in a previous tutorial, it should be up toward the top of your page. And you can see it gives you a number of functions. But let's talk about the main SEO functions. First of all, you're at Slashdot. You can click on the little button there that says PageRank. Just click once and you'll see the options that scroll down under that particular button. And as we talked about, PageRank is basically the rank that Google has assigned to this particular website. And you can see from the green bar that Slashdot has an outstanding page rank. So, let's see who all links back. My hypothesis is, before we even get started here, that Slashdot has a number of backward links. So you can go down to backward links. And you can easily see that, yes, Slashdot has 233,000 links leading back to them. And you can do this with every single page. And I would become, as I was learning more about search engine optimization, I become a student of websites, how they optimize, what they do. So when you go to a web page, and you see it's a nice website, they rank highly, I would click down and just see how many backlinks they have. This is another nice feature. You can see cached pictures of websites and pages. So you can see what Google is looking at. So Mozilla and the Mozilla Firefox browser does have the information on PageRank and Alexa at the bottom of the screen. But as you can see, this is much more helpful. You're going to want to use this to view backlinks, and it's also going to help you. Let's say you're researching your competition and you sell frisbees, so you go to a competitor's website and you'll see that this website is linking back to your competitors, so maybe they'll link back to you too. So it can be very helpful for doing research to enhance your business, etc. As I mentioned, with the Google toolbar, you can use it as a means to see who is linking back to your opposition. So perhaps you can target those websites and say that they would be good link exchange partners. So that's one way of using it. Another thing, just besides just doing research on these websites and who links back to who, this is an extension of what I was talking about, but email people directly. Email other bloggers and ask them if they'll link back to you, if they will put you on their blog roll, and vice versa. So it really is a community that you should be trying to get involved with and help to facilitate and build here. So communicate with people. Ask them. Let's trade links. And that brings me to my next point. When you're emailing people and asking them to trade links, make sure that you specify to them what kind of anchor text you would like to see, perhaps a description, and what page you'd like to link to. There's a lot of strategy involved here, but let's say you're trying to optimize your blog for bowling accessories. So likely, I haven't done any research on this, but bowling equipment or bowling accessories or bowling balls are going to be some of the keywords that you're going to be trying to optimize for. So when you're going to want links out there that have that language built in. So when someone goes to another blog or another website and they see the anchor text bowling accessories, they'll come to you. Also, by having good anchor text with your keywords in it floating around on other blogs and other websites, it's going to greatly enhance your ranking in Google, because one of the key components of the Google algorithm is the quality of the anchor text. So if there are enough people out there linking back to your blog that have bowling accessories or bowling equipment or bowling balls in the anchor text, then that's going to raise your search engine ranking for those terms. And also, maybe not, there will be descriptions within the links, and if so, you need to provide the person who's linking to you with a good description. And also, of course, the page that you would like to link to. Probably it's going to be the home page if you're actually trying to get link partners for a blog. But, if you have another type of website and you're trying to get secondary pages within the website to rank higher, then you're going to want to think about, do I need to pass a link off to my secondary pages, because that could be beneficial to you too. And there are a lot of link building programs out there. WebCEO is a good product, but I happen to be a big fan of SEO Elite. It is a product that's produced by a fellow by the name of Brad Callen. Outstanding product. We're just going to walk through some of the benefits of doing that or using that program in another video tutorial. Well, that's all we have time for today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.